This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Rebecca Blydorn. This adorable cottage home may look small from the front, but don't let it fool you. 1,440 square feet of darling cottage decor. When you walk through the front door, you will be wowed by the open floor plan with the living room open to the gorgeous fully remodeled kitchen that looks like one you would find in a magazine. With soft close 42-inch cabinets, drawer storage, apron sink, fabulous backsplash, quartz countertops in prep area and leathered granite on the huge peninsula, large enough to seat the whole family or to make a huge buffet. All stainless steel appliances in the kitchen convey, including range, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave. Be sure to check out the equally beautiful laundry room complete with modern style sliding door, beautiful tile floor, and cabinetry to hold all your cleaning supplies. On the other side of the living room are two very nice sized bedrooms and one full bathroom. With a split bedroom floor plan, you will find the primary suite at the back of the house, and it is huge. This bedroom is an unexpected surprise with enough room to have a large sitting area in addition to all your bedroom furniture, plus a generous walk-in closet. Then wander into the upscale primary bathroom with a massive shower with double rain head shower heads, double sink vanity, oversized jetted tub with tile surround for candles, bubble bath, etc., private room for the toilet, and another walk-in closet. Then out in the level backyard is a very nice storage shed that stays as well. This home has been updated lovingly and everything has been done by the book. Permits, perfection, attention to detail. You will not find another house this spectacular in this price range, especially in the Maryville City School district. This home is conveniently located, making access to downtown, the Smoky Mtns, and Knoxville via Pellissippi Pkwy or Alcoa Hwy. Easy? Also near shopping, restaurants, greenway, and several parks. Come see this adorable home and see what I mean. For more information, review the details below or contact Rebecca Blydorn at 865-966-1111.